Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at this Balisong or butterfly comb and review it as an urban EDC knife. If you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. It will really help the channel out. Thanks. Also known as a fan comb or Batangas comb, this is a type of folding pocket comb that originated in the Philippines. The comb is probably most well known for causing bruised knuckles and cuts on the back of fingers. The model comes in two finishes, this black oxide coating version and a plain finish. The butterfly comb handles are made from stainless steel and are skeletonized to reduce weight. The hardware is Torx T8 screws and there's a brass stop pin in each handle. Let's have a quick look at the specs of this comb. The comb length is 4 inches long, the handle is 4.75 inches long, and the overall length is 8.75 inches. Let's see how heavy this is. In grams, that's 103.7 grams, and in ounces, that's 3.66 ounces. The comb steel is 3CR13 steel, also referred to as 30CR13 stainless steel. The stainless steel is a martensistic stainless steel made in China. It is a low carbon, high chromium steel that provides good corrosion resistance but poor edge retention. The hardness rating of the steel is usually between 52 and 55 HRC. It is considered a low-end steel. If you opt for the premium model of this comb, you can get it in Bowler M390. That is a high-end steel that is particularly good for thicker, greasy hair. The comb style is a straight back with a steep sheep's foot. I believe this grind is known as a Scandi tooth grind. Let's see how thick this comb is. And that's 1.4 mm. So it's quite thin but well suited for medium to coarse hair. There is a sharpening choil as well as a ricasso, and this design also acts as a finger guard when you choke up on the comb for fine combing, such as combing a sideburn or mustache. It would be good if there's some jimping on the spine of the blade here so that you can really choke up comfortably. The good news is that the spine is grinded at a 90-degree angle. This allows you to strike a ferro rod to throw a spark. This is particularly useful in the event you need to start a fire when you're combing your hair. It happens more often than you think. The locking system is a flip-tab pressure lock. By squeezing the handles together, the flip-tab disengages and the handle unlocks, and you can lock it in the same way. So does this Balisong butterfly comb make for a good urban EDC? The cost of this is about US $4, which puts it in the budget range. But for the price and the fit and finish, it is pretty good, although the comb is low end. You can get more premium versions of this comb in M390 with titanium scales and carbon fiber inlays, but that will cost you $20,000. The comb is slim enough to put in your front or back pocket and it's not too heavy. You can also carry it in an EDC pouch such as the Arc Company Rambler, so that can fit in just like that, and with a flashlight and a pen, that's a decent fit. It won't slide out. I would say this: if you like to comb your hair while making bystanders feel threatened, this comb is for you. If you enjoy being shot at by the police while you go through your personal grooming routine, you should definitely get this comb. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. There's also an automatic switchblade style comb that is pretty cool. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.